Welcome to AI Cloud Weekly, your global snapshot of the biggest moves in artificial intelligence and cloud infrastructure. Microsoft announced a massive $17.5 billion investment in India, its largest AI commitment in Asia. The focus: sovereign AI, cloud infrastructure, national skilling programs, and empowering homegrown startups while ensuring full data sovereignty. China is moving humanoid robots from prototype to production. By 2026, humanoids will be deployed at scale across security, cleaning, and factory operations, marking a major shift toward real-world robotics. The US Pentagon is preparing for artificial general intelligence as a near-term national security concern, with formal reporting timelines now set for Congress. NVIDIA achieved a first, training a large language model in space using an H100 GPU aboard a satellite. This opens the door to orbital AI insights while reducing reliance on Earth-based data centers. ChatGPT now includes Photoshop-style image editing, PDF merging, and professional creative tools across web and desktop. ChatGPT 5.2 introduces faster deep reasoning, automatic model selection, and reduced hallucinations, now embedded across Copilot and GitHub. Notion upgraded its mobile AI agent with faster native performance and on-screen awareness. Google updated Stitch for predictive coding workflows and Formally for end-to-end marketing campaigns with generative video, currently available in the US. That's your AI Cloud Weekly update, where infrastructure meets intelligence.